KPSA supports adding both ConnectWise and Autotask servers to the module. In order to set up a ConnectWise server, go ahead and click the Setup ConnectWise Server button on the overview page, where a dialog will appear for you to enter your integrator login credentials. If you haven't set up an integrator login user yet, go ahead and flip on over to ConnectWise, click on Setup Tables, and locate the integrator login table below. To give you an example of how users should be set up within ConnectWise, I'll go ahead and click on the Bill user. You'll notice that all the available APIs have been enabled, and a callback URL has been entered underneath the Service Ticket API field. The callback URL field enables ConnectWise to post real-time updates back to Kaseya. The structure of the callback URL involves the initial piece, which is your Kaseya PSA domain /KPSA /ticket callback.ashx $user equals the username of your integration logon user, &server equals the ConnectWise server name, &rec ID equals. Once your settings are all correct, go ahead and click on the Save and Close button and flip on back over to the Kaseya PSA module. Enter in your ConnectWise server name, followed with the username of your integrated login user, as well as the password and the company ID you use to log into ConnectWise. Click on the Validate button, which will verify the version of your ConnectWise server, as well as populate the fields below. Go ahead and select a service desk you'd like to map to a service board within ConnectWise and click on the Save button. This will kick off the discovery process, which will import all organizations, statuses, as well as perform a configuration audit against your ConnectWise server. You can flip on over to the application log to view detailed information about the discovery process. You'll notice that the PSA module automatically maps customers within ConnectWise back to organizations within Kaseya based on contacts, name matching, pattern matching, and various other fields which are used to uniquely identify organizations and customers in both systems. Before proceeding any further, you'll want to refresh the page until you see an auto configuration complete message inside of the application log. Once this message appears, you have successfully configured and set up a ConnectWise server for use within the PSA module. To add an Autotask account to the PSA module, go ahead and flip on over to the PSA servers page and click on the Add Autotask Account button. Enter the username of your Autotask administrator account, as well as the password. If you wish to receive live updates back from your Autotask server, go ahead and flip on over to Autotask. Navigate to the admin module, select Autotask Extend, and underneath extensions, locate the extension callout page. Extension callouts allow Autotask to post real-time updates back to the Kaseya server. The format of the extension callout URL should be your Kaseya PSA server name /KPSA /ticket callback.ashx. For more information on the format of the callback URL, please refer to the table below this video on the information page. Once your callback URL has been set, go ahead and flip back on over to your Kaseya server, click on the Validate button, and select the Service Desk and Ticket Queue from the drop down below to set up your automatic service desk mappings. Once you've selected both the Service Desk and Ticket Queue, click the Save button, which will kick off the automatic discovery process. Clicking on the Overview page allows you to view the status of the discovery process, as well as validate that the operation has been completed. This concludes the KPSA setup walkthrough. For additional support, please reach out to support@devioinc.com.